Welcome to Daily English Fluency Radio. I'm Emma, and with me is my co-host, Jack. Today, we're talking about a topic that almost everyone is interested in: how to become wealthy.
That's right, Emma. Whether you want to be a millionaire or just have enough money to live comfortably, today's discussion will give you real, practical steps to achieve financial success.
And remember, being rich is not just about having a big bank account. It's about having freedom, the freedom to travel, to take care of your family, and to live without financial stress.
Exactly, so let's dive in. What does it really take to become wealthy? Step 1, mindset shift. Think like a wealthy person.
The first step to becoming wealthy is changing the way you think about money.
Yes, many people believe that wealth is just for lucky people or those born into rich families. But that's not true.
Absolutely. Let's take Oprah Winfrey as an example. She was born into poverty, faced many struggles, but she worked hard and built an empire. Now, she's worth billions.
And what about Elon Musk? He was not born into extreme wealth. He worked 100 plus hours a week, took big risks, and now he's one of the richest people in the world.
The key takeaway: believe that you can become wealthy. If you think it's impossible, you'll never take action.
So step 1, change your mindset. Step 2, saving and investing. Make your money work for you.
Now, let's talk about saving and investing. Jack, why do so many people struggle with saving money?
Well, a lot of people spend first and save what's left. But the wealthy save first and spend what's left.
That's a great point. A simple rule to follow is the 503-020 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs: rent, food, bills. 30% goes to wants: shopping, entertainment. 20% goes to savings and investments.
But saving alone won't make you rich. You need to invest.
Right. Let's take Warren Buffett as an example. He started investing as a teenager, and today, he's worth over $100 billion.
The lesson: start investing early. Even if it's just $100 a month, over time, it can grow into millions.
So, step 2, save and invest wisely.
Step 3, multiple income streams. Don't depend on one job. Here's a shocking fact. Most millionaires have at least 3 to 7 sources of income.
That makes sense. If you only have one job, what happens if you lose it? You lose 100% of your income.
Exactly. That's why having multiple income streams is key to financial freedom.
Let's give some examples: passive income, investing in stocks, real estate, or online businesses. Side hustles, freelancing, selling products online, YouTube channels. Businesses, starting your own business, even part-time.
A great example is Graham Stephan. He started as a real estate agent, then built a YouTube channel, and now earns millions from multiple sources.
So, step 3, diversify your income.
Step 4, smart spending. How rich people manage money. Now, let's talk about something interesting. Rich people don't always act rich.
Yes, many billionaires live simple lives. They don't waste money on unnecessary things.
Did you know that Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, wears the same simple gray t-shirt almost every day?
And Warren Buffett still lives in the same house he bought in 1958.
Meanwhile, some people spend everything they have just to look rich. They buy expensive cars, designer clothes, but they have zero savings.
The key takeaway: be smart with your spending. Ask yourself, do I really need this?
So step 4, spend wisely. Step 5, never stop learning. Knowledge equals money.
The final step: keep learning.
Yes, the most successful people read books, listen to podcasts, and constantly improve themselves.
Let's look at Elon Musk. He didn't study rocket science in university. He taught himself by reading books.
That's incredible. And Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, and Mark Cuban all read for hours every day.
So, if you want to be wealthy, start reading about money, investing, and success habits.
Step 5, never stop learning. Conclusion: final thoughts.
All right, let's do a quick recap. The 5 steps to becoming wealthy are: Step 1, change your mindset. Step 2, save and invest wisely. Step 3, have multiple income streams. Step 4, spend smartly. Step 5, never stop learning.
That's a great summary. Wealth isn't about luck, it's about making smart choices every day.
And remember, anyone can start today. You don't need a lot of money. Just start small and be consistent.
If you enjoyed this talk, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial and English learning content.
Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.